US Pay Company. US Pay was chosen as it is a public service company responsible for the sweeping and cleaning of the waste generated and its final disposal in the capital. This is fundamental in the proper management of solid waste in the public space. How does this company contribute to pollution in our world? This company contributes to environmental pollution by the generation of waste in the public space since in the vast majority of places in Bogota are identified containers that are poorly located and which the population misuses and incorrectly deposit what waste that they generate daily causing landscape pollution of the air, emission of strong odors that can harm human health and generation of growth. What opinions and demands did you express in the formal letter sent to you? The letter sent realized the problem of improper handling of container waste and also emphasized that its role as a utility is collection, sweeping, and cleaning by the Decree 564 of 2012, which adopt provisions to ensure the provision of public toilet service in the capital district in accordance with Article 1 of Agreement 001 of 2012, which determines that the company aims at promoting, coordinating, and supervising and controlling the collection, transportation, final disposal, recycling, and use of solid waste, cleaning of roads and public areas and public light service. A study will provide eco-friendly solution to the problem of this company and will express how this affects the environment in a positive way. Do not install containers in places that do not should need and this will lead to more pollution. Carry out campaigns involving the community about awareness of container identification, their color, and their proper disposal of waste lead to the points that are installing the containers and show them how they are and how each one can change the price of this. The company places practical environmental comparisons for cleaning and organizing containers to people who identify themselves misusing the handling of them, and if this is already repetitive, fitness science it has been shown that if people touch the bucket, they are judicious in carrying out an appropriate process.